Today's tutorial is on adding a event to your calendar. First is we're going to click on the calendar page, and as you scroll down you'll see your calendar, and we're going to click on the link on the top left here, add events. Okay, and we're going to have each person is going to have a username and a password. So in this case we have one, and we've already pre-saved it, so you'll type that in and click on login. Now once you're in the back end of it, you can choose a date off the menu to go let's say to August. We're in July right now, or any time in the near future. Or if it's a event that's on the same month, you'll go ahead and click on a specific day. Let's say it's going to be the next day. Click on that day. You're going to have a drop down event form to fill out, and we're going to the first example I'm going to show you how to do a one-time event. So it's going to ask you if it repeats. You can leave that at never, and then we're going to have a title. So in this case we're going to say bake sale, and I like to give it a time, and also it's going to ask you for a description. So we have bake sale again, and then a contact person. So whoever is going to be your contact person, in this case it'll be John Doe, and the next thing we need is a phone number or an email address. In this case we'll do a fictitious phone number, and when you're done filling it out you click add, and you'll see one entrance here on your calendar. Now the second type is a reoccurring. So let's say this bake sale happens every Saturday, so we'll go ahead and click on a Saturday, and we'll go ahead and put on there bake sale time. And now when it asks you for repeats, you can say every, and the next drop down you have an option of week, month, year. In this case this is a weekly event, so we'll select weeks, and it's going to ask you until when. And if this is something that reoccurs and you don't foresee any stoppage of this event anytime soon, I would just go to the very bottom, select the year at the bottom, and you also have to select the day. So we're going to select the 29th in this case, and we'll go ahead and fill in the description once more, same contact and phone number, and we go ahead and add. Now there's, as you're going to see, it'll every Saturday, and all I'm doing is rolling my mouse down to go to the next month, and you'll see September, and it'll just go on. Now the other thing that we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to delete an event. So you can go ahead and click on an event, and you can go ahead on the bottom left, click delete, click OK, and sometimes you'll have to do it more than once. Click OK, and it's deleted. And now the other thing that we're going to do is we're going to edit a event. So in this case we'll take the weekly occurring event, click on it, and we're going to change the time. So we're going to do 10 a.m. Go ahead and click update, and there you go, and it updates on every event occurrence. And the last thing we're going to do is we are going to log out. So we're going to point up to the top right here and click log out, and there you go.